Okay, this is the second video of our AI image generation masterclass series. In this video, I'll show you how can you change any of your images to a professional headshot using ChatGPT. Earlier, I published another video where I covered similar topic and I utilized Google Nano Banana to get this same output. But in this video, I'm going to use OpenAI's new image generation model, that is GPT Image 1.5. Let me show you very quickly. So currently I'm in Google homepage, and there if I just go to my ChatGPT console, then you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. I'll click on images and then you'll be able to see multiple different options. If you come here and see this discover something new option, there you will be able to see two things. One is style me and second one is create a professional job photo. If I click on this particular option, it will ask me to upload any of the photo. Now I can choose from any of the existing photo, whichever I recently used, or I can click on choose a new photo. Let me do one thing. Let me utilize this particular photo and I'll click on open. Now you will be able to see that this is using this image and it already started using one predefined prompt. So this is that easy. You can just click on that particular option and you will be able to utilize any of your existing image and it will give you the output. Here I have this image in a formal chart, but I will also show you how can you utilize same feature in case I'm wearing a t-shirt or anything casual, that also will work properly. Now you can see it converted this image to this particular professional headshot. Now similarly, if I come back, click on image, again I'll click on this particular option, create a professional headshot, and then I choose a different photo. I'll click on choose a new photo, and then I have one image where I'm wearing a t-shirt. And if I click on open, then also it will start generating the image. Let's see what it generates and how the output looks like. You can see it is using the same prompt here and it's generating the image. One good part is you can copy this particular prompt, you can use in any other image generation model, and you can try how those LLMs are also working. So this is one maybe good prompt to be part of your prompt library. I normally suggest, in case you find a good prompt, keep it stored somewhere so that you can reuse those prompts later. Because once you start using ChatGPT on daily basis, then it's very difficult to find your old good prompts, sometimes from this clutter of multiple different chats, right? So that's the way you can also maintain. So you can see it generated this image from this t-shirt also. It looks similar to the earlier image, what it generated earlier. If I click on images, then you will be able to see this is the image is generated now, and before that it generated this one. So this is the way you can use this feature to generate any of the professional headshot using new feature of ChatGPT. If you want to understand what are the new features ChatGPT introduced as part of this new image generation model, then check out this video, which is the part 1 of this particular series.